So we're pretty much all ready to go here to resharpen this new blade, except for our stones. So we will be using a set of PDTools resin bonded diamond stones. I do have the Expert stones, Expert Pro, and we will be using the 160 to start with. You can already see the scratch pattern that we're leaving on the blade, so that's good. We're basically deburring at this point. Do reverse passes. And some forward passes as well. Medium grit stone. Go ahead and prime that up with just a little bit of oil, like always. And we recheck the angle one more time. Semi-beginner here, especially with a fixed angle. Whenever you're done with almost each round, especially the first coarse stone, not necessarily on this stone, but it's a good habit to be in to go ahead and be wiping down your edges, flip over and deburr. This refinement process doesn't take long at all when you're going up stones. Go ahead and see exactly how sharp this guy is. Carefully removing it from the clamps. All right. Well, it is just laser beam sharp and ready to do whatever kitchen task you possibly could need. This knife can do all of those things for you. So if you'll just learn how to sharpen, you can get your blades this sharp too. And these stones are where you start. This system is where you start. Guys, I'm gonna go watch a football game, so I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday night, and go Bengals. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even care, but just enjoy your